a text file. I'm going to call it comment list. And then I'm just going to go ahead and type some really quick ones here. Okay, so I'm going to say, wow, loved your video. Wow, amazing content. Or how about check out my website. Or love the videos, keep them coming. And how about great stuff and amazing. And how about love you? Because you know what, sometimes people need to hear that. So we have all of these little dummy comments here, and I'm going to hit save. We've got our comment list. Let's go ahead, I think that was in downloads. Comment list. So each comment is on a new line, okay? So that's how the bot is organizing things after each line here. Okay, so I'm going to click open and video list. Let me go ahead and we're going to right click, make a text file and call it video list. Okay, and this is where we can put in a bunch of YouTube videos. For example, if we're trying to get views on our videos, or if we want to leave a comment on these particular videos, these are our targets. We can use this resource as a target, okay? For the various automation stuff that we're going to be making, we'll use this resource here as our targets, okay? So let me go ahead and grab a couple videos and populate this list. Alright, so I've populated this list with some amazing videos here. I hope you guys like them. And I'm going to go ahead and save that text file. Now we're going to come here, video list. We're going to go select that list. There's my list of videos. And now we have created a couple resources. Let's go ahead and hit OK. Alright, so we've filled in our email, we filled in our password, we filled in our comment list and video list as resources for now. So let's go over here, let's hit on start. And it's going to go through our commands. The first command, we're going to load YouTube. And here we're going to click on sign in. And then it's going to sign in with my demo, but I don't want it to do that. I'm going to click on this again, and I'm going to change this to, we're going to click load from file user input database. We're going to click that, and here we're going to see our resources here. So I'm going to click on email. In order to make a resource, it's these two little parentheses together. So it's not this one with the hard bracket, it's this kind of bendy one with the two bends in it, this double bendy bracket. Okay, so two bendy brackets on each side, that is how you communicate to the bot the resource. So it's two bendy brackets, the name of the resource, and then ending, closing with two bendy brackets, okay? So there, that's the email, so I'm gonna hit OK. And as we're doing the editor, everything is through this, it's called indirect control, where you're clicking on elements, but you can switch to direct control, and this is done using F1 and F2. So throughout this course, I'm going to be swapping to direct and indirect control to kind of navigate the bot and fix and do things like that. So right now, I'm going to click on F2, and I'm going to be in indirect control, and I'm actually going to erase this that it typed in there. And I'm going to redo the step. All right, now we have it selected here. We're going to go ahead, move execution. We can right click on here and click move execution point. And we're going to hit play. All data has been processed for email. Okay. Okay. And we're going to hit play. All data is processed. Okay, so one last thing that we missed here is we also need to create these files for our email. So we need to create an email text file. We'll put the email in just one line there, and again for password. Okay, so go ahead. We're going to put in email and save that. And then here we're going to put password. Right? This is the password to log in to that email, right? It's going to automate the login. So there needs to be text files here as well. So go ahead and save that. Once you have that, we're going to hit record, and we're going to go. Okay, so here for the resources, we're going to go ahead and select this little folder, and we're going to click email, and then we're going to click the text file for password. Okay?